Okay, welcome to this new video. As you have read in the title that this video is about cloning the Instagram. Okay, so I have some Instagram screenshots like the post and some login screenshots, and then we will try in this video to clone this using Tailwind CSS. Okay, so let's get started. So for that I have created a just a plain HTML and setup with Tailwind. I hope you already know how to do this. I have a video on that so that you can do. If you do not have that if you have any problem in that, you can follow that video, and it is very easy, and it is also telling you how to push things on Git. Okay, so that you have version controlling system or not. So I made just this, and I have opened with the live server, so you can see it here. Okay, just plain login page, nothing else. We will start from scratch. Okay, so let's make an initial commit. Okay, so git init, because making the git commit is a very good practice. So yeah, we have not made our git ignore file here, so we just make git ignore so that it will ignore the node modules. So node underscore modules. Okay, now it is 14 files only. Yeah, that's it. That's cool. So let's git add dot git commit minus m. You can say first commit. I'm saying initial commit. Any message you want, and then git. And we don't have any remote repository right till now, so you can set up that also. Okay, I'm making this only locally, and I will provide the whole code in the GitHub. You can find the link on the description, but I think it will be it is a series of part by part, because the Instagram has a lot of pages. So I will target one page in each video, or trying to make one page in one video. So links will be available in the description as we progress. So I will try to move the code on the GitHub also, and we will get the code. Okay, so I will suggest highly to code along with me. Like as I am coding, you also open your code editor and start with me. Okay, so I've deleted everything. Yeah, make the title first. Start with login page, because login page is very easier, and we can start with very easy stuff, so it is good for us. So yeah, it is Instagram login, and you can also change the name. You don't have to use the Instagram word. Okay, so okay, I'm from the beginning, I also try to change like an Instagram note, so you can make is megagram. Okay, take megagram clone. Okay, so where we have that, we can open it here, Instagram login. Okay, that's it. I'm using this login page. I that there is other login page with the image, but this is a lot simpler, and I will try to make this. Okay. So for that, let's plan that we have some container with the gray color, then we have two containers also with some login form and this kind of things. Okay, so this video will be not much of talking, just see, and you can also do it. Okay, and if you find any confusion, anything, you can ask on me on comment. So let's start it. So I'm making a container is a class in a Tailwind. Okay, and let's make everything flex and justify center, items center, and bg, I think bg gray 200 is good. Okay, let's make another div with I guess border gray, and okay, with this div. Okay, and let's write flex column, I guess, so that things will be on column basis. Okay, so we haven't done any code yet, so just make it bg white. Okay, and we have some inputs. Let's add text. Some what is the megagram? Okay, we will add the font family later, but let's make some this main thing, form and inputs first. Okay, then password, and then there is a button with the login. Okay, let's see like where we are now. Okay, this is looking very bad. Okay, no problem. So let's have another div. Okay, let's have another div and wrap it in. We can make class it width full or width screen, because actually width full is good, I guess. And bg gray 200 would be here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, good. It is now taking the whole space. Now let's make edge screen, because it will take whole screen. Okay, good. Now it is all gray, and these things I guess should be also there. Now it is good. Okay, now there are inputs, but they are not very much aligned. So now we can first make some padding. Okay, then we can use flex also here. Flex call, justify center. Let's see. Okay, and item center also, I guess, for first we can change it a little bit around. Okay, now it is looking little bit more like, let's start with this text Excel, I guess. We will change the font family. No, do not need to worry about that. Okay, megagram. Then we have to change this. Okay, let's see like how the input. Okay, we have lot of spaces. Okay, we will take care of that. So let's make this input. So class is also always there. So let's have that border gray. bg is also gray. Okay, bg gray is 400, like I think 500. And then we have padding also. So padding x would be, I guess, around 4, and padding y would be 2. We have placeholder, phone or email. Okay, it is darker. And we have a margin also. So let's start with the margin also. Margin top 12, and it should have also margin top 12. We will make it according to our need. Okay, 300 is, I guess, no, 200 is good. Okay, 200 it's good, but what about font size? Spacing is also good and nice, I guess, but the padding is, I guess, padding should be px should be 12. Now it is better. Okay, now phone number, username or email. Let's write all of them. Phone number, username or email. Okay, and font, I guess, text. I guess it would be maybe MD would be good. No, it should be SM. Yeah, I guess we should be less excess. Okay, now it is, I think, very much close to this. Okay, now let's take care of this width issue. So we have this, it has to be fixed width. Okay, so width can be, I guess, around 72. Okay, little bit low. Let's see what we have in 60s. 64. Okay, now it is good. So let's copy all these styles and paste it to password. Let's have a placeholder of password, and with a type also password, because it must be secure. So type text not be password. Okay, and yeah, this margin 12 should be less, because they are okay. Now we are getting close to it. The border color, I guess it should be much yeah, it would be much lighter. Okay, and this should be capital P. Okay, so then border color should be, I guess, around 2. No, 2 is this, 3. Okay, yeah, now they are close, and as you can see we are getting there. Okay, it should be 2 and it should be, I guess, around 10. We have to tweak things on the go. Save it. Yeah, okay, now we can go for the button also. Okay, so for button, I guess, so for the button it should be cursor pointer. Okay, width should be full. Okay, and BG would be blue, I guess. Text would be white. Border a little bit, I guess, rounded. And what you say, text should be SM again. Let's see. Okay, looking very bad. MX Auto, I guess text center would help. Okay, now margin Y2 it will be help. Okay, now we have to give little bit padding also. The padding Y would be 2. Okay, 1 would be, okay, now it is closed to it. Let's have a little bit lighter blue for now because it is disabled, but what is the little bit more rounded it is, and it is bold. Okay, let's see what we can do. Bold but rounded, SM should be rounded, I guess LG, no, it would be MD. Yeah, MD is getting there. Okay, and PY actually also this, we should have text access. Yeah, it is close to that, but yeah, actually text SM would be great. See, it will not be exactly the same, but yeah, we will try to close. So bold, I guess we have any class for bold, I guess. Bold font bold. Yeah, bold, we have bold. Okay, it is now bold. Yeah, it is. So we can make the padding less. Yeah, so it is a little bit closer. SM would be great, I guess. Yeah, it should be look great, right? So yeah, it is looking good. And on over it is blue, we can forget it, and we cannot forget it, but yeah, it is looking good. Now we have to make this also. Okay, so let's have another div below it, div, and for div we have 3 divs, I guess, like 1 div for this, then 1 for this, and 1 for this. Okay, so I guess, okay, or let's see what we have here. Okay, it is outside the div where we have BG white. Okay, let's make BG white here. No, it is horrible. Okay, so we have to make this in a div also. It will not affect the, okay, so I think we need to have this kind of thing also here, just to make sure all things will be aligned correctly. Okay, now everything is fine. Now we can move this so that it is also have the white background. Yeah, it is there. Okay, now first class text SM will be there, not access, and they should be have a border. So border class with border. Let's see where we have. Okay, we should have flex. Okay, border, I guess border X only, border Y only. Okay, we will take care of that. First we have to make width. Yeah, we can do width only. Width, I guess 32 will be there, and BG black. For now we can, like, H will be 1. Yeah, we will fix this, but let's try. Okay, now justify content center, items center. Good. Now we can make it lot thinner. Okay, 0.5 is also there. Yeah, it will help us. And BG black can be gray. this. Okay, okay, we can, it can be mx2. Okay, it is space. Also let's have like, okay, it should be according to that, and px is lot greater, so let's make it space 10. Okay, now make it width full so that okay, okay, with 32 will not cut it, but yeah, okay, yeah, it will be good. Okay, so it could be flex, I guess. No, with 24, yeah, it is good, but it should be much more thinner, I guess. We can use pixel here, 1 pixel. Yeah, we can use it here. So sometimes we can also use static. Let's move a little bit forward. Okay, we should have this login with Facebook button also. So for that we can make another div with some margin y thing. We can have also the text login with Facebook. Okay, now we need to make it like this. So we should have a logo of Facebook. Okay, got it. So we can get logo from here, Facebook. Okay, it's not FFP. Oh, Facebook is not there. Yeah, okay, since we are not taking care of the branding, just make it anything. So let's make it graduate. Okay, so let's see. Okay, sounds nice, but we need to change the color also. So let's make it BG blue, make it color blue. 600, make the text also 600. Text, make the text little bit bigger, and font would be little bit bold. Okay, BG blue is not it, the text blue. Okay, yeah, not much. Okay, little bit, it is a darker blue, and with this space, the margin right would be 2, and it will, I can make 900. Okay, yeah, it is much darker and it is much close to this. Now we have, okay, we have to make margin also. Okay, let's make another div like this. It will have forgot password, I guess. We can make the video here, like we can complete it in the next video. Forgot password. Okay, and what is the font? Okay, so it is access, it is black, I guess. No, it is blue. Okay, let's check what is our, okay, we have to this, it should be not bold. Okay, okay, and y3 would be great here. Good. Now it is looking much like Instagrams, but yeah, we have to make some little bit tweaks over the time. So let's skip this video here, like we will make the next thing in the next video. So thanks for watching.